Selecting AF points. The EOS 60D has 9 cross-type autofocus points, which make focusing on off-center subjects fast and accurate. The central AF point is special with dual cross-type sensor coverage. It significantly improves focus precision when using lenses with an aperture of f2.8 or faster. The camera can be set to automatically select the AF point, or single AF points can be selected manually, one at a time. Press the AF point selection button. All 9 AF points will light up in the viewfinder if automatic AF point selection is active. The camera will then use the point or points which see the nearest subject with adequate detail. Automatic AF point selection is fine for general photography when you want the camera to focus on the nearest point of interest. To manually select a single AF point, the default method is to press the AF point selection button and turn the quick control dial, the top main dial, or use the multi-controller and set button. One at a time, the points will sequentially light up red and then return to automatic selection with all 9 points lit up together. Manually selecting an AF point is a great aid when you want to focus on a specific off-center subject or if the subject is partially blocked by objects in the foreground. Custom function 321 provides options to make AF point selection even faster. This setting provides instant access to automatic AF point mode by just pressing the AF point selection button, or instant access for manual selection with the multi-controller. With custom function 321 active, you no longer have to press the AF point selection button first and then use another control to change the active AF point. Simply press the multi-control dial direction keys anytime you want to manually select a different AF point. Pressing the Set button will now instantly return the AF point to the center position. And if you want to activate all 9 automatic AF points, press the AF point Select button. Manually selecting AF points gives you complete control over the area of focus and lets you easily compose while keeping subjects where you want them in the frame.